Hello everyone, this time we're going to make our third shape, which is this column. You would have seen the picture of the column in your Google Classroom if you looked at it. And I'm going to teach you how to do this properly, so let's begin. First thing, make sure you're in the IED folder, Part 3 Technical Drawings, so that we could create our next image and we can close this up. New sketch, we're actually going to make this from the bottom. And this time, instead of using a regular rectangle, we're going to use a center rectangle. Click on the origin, and then click to any size. Sketch dimensions. We're going to make this 1.125. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. 1.125. Now everything is black, which means it's fully constrained, and you're going to press Finish Sketch. Now go to Extrude. And we're going to raise this up 0.375. Press OK. Now we're going to create another new sketch, but this time you're going to click on top of the last part. We're going to create a circle with a center. Click on there, and then randomly click to any size. Go to Sketch Dimension. And the diameter of this is 0.625. Finish sketch. Now we're going to raise this up 2.75 inches. Oops. I think I typed that in wrong. So edit feature. I typed in 1. I meant to type in 2.75 inches. And always remember, you always want to edit down here. You never want to just extrude again. All right, I need another sketch, this time on top here. And I'm once again going to use center rectangle. Click on the origin. You might have to zoom in and click on this corner. Everything is black because we snapped it to the last corner, and choose Finish Sketch. I'm going to hit the house button, and I'm going to extrude. So if I just click this area, I'm missing the circle. So I also have to click the circle part, and this is 0.375. Okay. Last thing I need to do is put a hole in this. So I'm going to create a sketch, choose the top, circle, click the center, and we're going to dimension that hole to 0.365 is the size of that center circle. And finish sketch. Choose extrude and click on that circle. And we're going to drag down a little bit. Once it starts cutting, we're not going to type in a distance. Instead, choose distance and switch it to all. And then press OK. And we're all done. I'm not going to worry about the appearance. I'm just going to save this as column with hole. Just column with hole. Save. Now I'm going to hit Design, Drawing, from Design. Make sure you're using the NBHS title block, and OK. So we definitely want to make sure we have visible and hidden edges. We have front. Something I've learned is that you may not have this feature shown, so I'll take that off. Our scale for this one is 1:2, which it's defaulted at. So that's great. I'm going to click right here. And press OK. Now I'm going to do projected view. I'm going to go up to the top, to the right. And if I double click on this, I can make it shaded. Now, what you'll notice is this and this are the same. I don't need them both. So click on it once, and delete. Okay. You might also notice that the scale isn't what you want, right? So maybe we want to make it a little bit bigger. So I switch this scale to 1 to 1.5. And it's a little bit larger. If you don't have this center mark, which I will delete it, to get that, you click in the center mark button here and then click on your circle. And if you don't have that center line, you go to center line and click on those two edges. Let's start putting in some information. Now right away, those aren't the right settings, so I'm going to go to Document Settings, Dimensional Units, and I switched everything to thousands. That's much better. All right, let's go back to dimensioning. All right, I'm going to click on this outer circle. And that says the diameter of the outer circle is that size. And then I'm going to click on the hole. And the diameter of the hole is this size. From here to here is 0.375. We'll do that both times. And that distance is 2.75. And that should be everything that we'll need. Okay, so it should match whatever we have. This looks fantastic, so save it. Column with whole drawing. Take a screenshot with Windows Shift S. And then you're going to go back to your classwork. And then you're going to paste it in there. All right, and then you'll turn this in. So that's for drawing 3. I hope that you enjoyed this video.